Hey everyone, welcome to today's lesson about parallelograms. Now parallelograms are really simple, so let's get down to it. A parallelogram is basically going to look like a rectangle that's got some weird angles. Instead of having angles going straight up, they're going to be a little bit to the side. It's going to be at a diagonal. That's it. Now for parallelograms, there are two calculations we need to perform. We can either find the perimeter, or we can find the area. So, to find the perimeter, and just in case we forgot, the perimeter is the measurement around the outside, okay? And the area is the measurement of the inside. Okay, so if you want to find the perimeter to a parallelogram, just like you would with a rectangle or a square, super easy. All you do is add all the sides together. So let's say I tell you this is 4 and this is 8. That's all I give you, right? You should automatically know that the opposite sides, just like a rectangle, are the same. So if this side right here is 4, that means on the other side it's going to be a 4 too. If this side is 8, that means on the other side it's going to be an 8 too. Now to find the perimeter, you just add up all the sides. So add up all the sides. I know this may seem obvious, but just in case. So we take 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8. Okay, let's do it. Well, 4 plus 8, that's going to be 12, plus 4, that's going to be 16, plus 8, that's going to be 24. Boom, you just found the perimeter of your parallelogram. Now let's focus on the area. The area of a parallelogram, not tricky at all. You're finding out the inside measurement, right? But they're going to try and trick you with it. Let's say I give you this parallelogram right here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, the formula for the area of a parallelogram is area equals base times height. Okay, so let's say here I give you, once again, 8 for the bottom, 4 for this side, and I'm going to throw in a separate measurement. I'm going to throw in a little dotted line inside and tell you that that is 3. Well, my base is really obvious. I know area equals base times height. Base has got to be the 8. I mean, bases are on the bottom. The 8's on the bottom. Okay, easy peasy. Base is 8. But what's my height? See, I'm confused here. Is my height going to be 3 or 4? When you measure the height of a room, do you stand in one corner and you just stretch out the measuring tape to the other corner on the other side of the room in a weird diagonal? No, you don't measure height going in a diagonal. You measure height going up and down. That's the trick. So basically you can completely ignore the number on the diagonal when you're calculating area. You only focus on the number inside that's going straight up. So in this case the height will be 3. 8 times 3, well, pure happenstance. In this case the area is the same as the perimeter. Okay? In this case only. It's not always the same. Just clarifying that. Look, let's do another example so no one gets confused. Let's say I give you, I don't know. Let's say I give you this shape. So parallelogram, let's make this 10, let's make this 5, let's make this 4. Yeah? Once again, area equals base times height. Okay, base is obviously 10, it's on the bottom. So my base is going to be 10. And then my height, remember I measure height going straight up, not diagonal. So the diagonal measurement doesn't matter to me. The measurement straight up is the 4. So 10 times 4 means that my area is 40. Okay? I hope this answers any questions. You should be set.